Legendary piece right here. If you know, you know. Unboxing cigarette boats. Live at Polymath. We gonna even put it on the vinyl player. I was saving this for the crib, but Polymath is special enough place that we gonna let it rock. It's my favorite Currency album ever. Jet life recording. You know what I'm saying? Let's get it. Let's get it. I feel like this is how Spitta got all those cars. Cigarette bros, man.
Hey.
How you turn this motherfucker on?
Oh, shit. We got a Boston shaker now.
This is premium. If I came to the coffee shop.
What?
If I came to the coffee shop.
Hey, you hear this playing?
I'm gonna cry. I'll buy everything. Like, y'all the most official as it get. It's the most official as y'all get. If you come to the coffee shop, matter of fact, when y'all come to our coffee shop, y'all gonna see how it's supposed to go down. Cigarette boats.
Let me get you right, man. Oh, this is a classic.
Listen.
This is 13 years ago.
Harry Fraud, man. Money in the blow in case they kick in the dough.
Oh, this
is him. We on a technique provided at Polymath. You know what I'm saying? It's a different vibe. It's a different vibe. Hold up. I don't think we rocking 33s though. We should definitely be. Yo, before you play your vinyl, man, figure out if you're on that 33 or 45 wave, man. It could go outside.
Wow.
Hey, the sono on? You know, I ain't usually inclined, AOC. The sono on? Maybe it ain't going in.
Crash course. Is it playing?
I don't know.
Bro, I hate Sonos, bro.
Sonos gonna have to sponsor us after this drop.
Got you, say that.
The old school was 45, huh?
I think so.
Yeah, I think the newer stuff should be 33. Don't trip. You about to be live soon. Hold on, start that over. Start that off real quick. That's that real Spitta right there, bro. Start that over real quick, bro.
Crazy.
I'm telling you.
Shipping that lamb to the crib while I'm on tour. When I get off of this bus, it's gonna be pedal to the floor. Before a nigga even step foot through the door, it's gonna be laughing at home. Dolo, fool, I ain't got time for no bitches,
but I do got a Rolex for my long sleeve. Okay.
A house on my wrist, a car on each pancake.
I got all of this from laughing at them lanes while I'm rolling up this.
Lightning struck again, jet life was niggas always rewrite.